That's nice. Also short lips. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of iced tea.
So you don't like it?
No, I like it. I just never order it. It's like good. I just never. I don't like iced tea. It's just like sweet water.
You know I didn't like it when I tried it the first time. I don't like peach.
People who like iced tea, they live for iced tea.
They die for iced tea.
Exactly.
They are iced tea.
Wait,
Standing before you,
this is really emotional.
think of the words of Jawaharlal Nehru.
I don't know who he is.
A moment comes but rarely in history, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance.
Yeah, you goddamn did,
So
yeah.
let us speak now with clarity and conviction that cannot be misunderstood about what this new age will deliver and for whom. This will be an age where New Yorkers expect from their leaders a bold vision of what we will achieve, rather than a list of excuses for what we are too timid to attempt. Central to that vision will be the most ambitious agenda to tackle the cost of living crisis that this city has seen since the days of Theodore LaGuardia.
Yes, because I'm going to be moving there. I'm going to be renting.
Buses fast and free.
I'm not going to be using the buses probably. I'm not going to be using the buses.
For universal childcare across our
I wouldn't need childcare. God damn.
this new age.
He's so good, bro. Seconds. I don't know what the lid is. Show us what you're listening. Did they go to me? With flow notification. Elliot got another offer because he's just...
I think.
No, he knows. Okay. He's signing in, so I'm not going to show you that because that's personal details. Anyway, how many offers are you now on?
2.
2 offers. I want to hear a UP for Elliot. I think they said UP. Okay. Can you sign in a bit quicker? The suspense. Oh, it's loading. He's so excited. Right? Right? Right?
Oh.
He got an offer from Warwick.
I got a raise.
Yes,
Wait,
yes,
that's Cambridge.
yes.
Oh, they added my college.
He got an offer from Warwick.
No,
yes.
yeah, it is.
I knew you had it a long time ago.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's
That's
actually
so weird.
my bus, but I'm so proud. That is so
Thank you.
great, amazing. That is a success. Okay, I actually want to go on the bus. No, it shouldn't be. Bye. Also, guys, no, never mind. I'm gonna tell you guys later. Cause I want to have it all in one clip, not clip, like in one together, and yeah. Anyways, I have a test, and actually, I hope I have this sheet with me. I hope I didn't leave this sheet at home, because then I will have to switch you off and instead read it off my phone. And frankly, I don't want to do that. Okay, I do have the sheet with me. Why did the revolt of the Northern Elves? Why did the revolt of the Northern Elves fail? Leadership. They were not clear with their aims. They were not charismatic. I knew the good thing. No, one was charismatic. Bruh, I don't know. They were not convinced. They didn't really care. For marriage. Guys, I'm scared of something. Okay, I'm gonna actually stop, guys. I'm not made for this. This is actually scary. Actually, no, I am made for this. The government response. Men like John Foster. Oh, that's hope. Who, they were reliant, contact with the government.
Why are you here so early?
Because my form teacher always lets us leave so early. And obviously I was okay grateful because I have to revise. I did not do an ounce of revision.
Same. You know what the questions are, right?
Why would I know what the question? Did you do it? No, because. So that's the Cartesian equation. Where's the Cartesian equation? Okay, I'm gonna look at it. Thank you. Say thanks, Elliot. Not you. Say thanks, Elliot. Say thanks. She's not saying thanks. And I'll tell you about what's happening tomorrow. Because shit's going down. Okay, so tomorrow I have a date. Whoa! So let's see how this goes. And obviously I want to vlog as much as I can possible. I don't know if I want to tell him I'm vlogging. I'm not gonna vlog us. Because I don't want him to see this. I'm excited. The pastry, 4 out of 10. It was not all that. I should have taken garlic on the toast. It was not all that, I must say. I just like the actual pastry. I hated the bread. It's like marshmallow cheese, but it's so bad. I need to stop getting mochi stuff because I know I hate mochi. Now I do.
St. James's Park.
The Naguri, so good. I'm at this guy's school to pick him up. What am I actually doing? What am I actually doing? No, like, literally, what am I actually doing? Why do I wait? Okay, this is so awkward.
Then I summon it down, yes. Just honey around me, that's up in our tummy. This money for taking me out. Yeah. When the back for the rolling, the A-Raps know me. I don't take make a true wet mouth. I've been thinking about you. I can't live my life, had our issues. Checking on your Instagram, I really shouldn't, cause it makes it worse. I can't leave a comment, but I like you. I put it in this verse. Yeah, in my mind forever as the waiter, but he's still sad. I really shouldn't send a text, but I got the accent. Or block and clear myself. We were great, but we weren't. We were young and dumb. Love was something that we tried to learn. Never. I've been thinking all night. I think kisses on your face. past. Now you're just a permanent reflection in the window of my train. I've been thinking about you. I can't live my life without you. Checking on your Instagram, I really shouldn't, cause it makes it worse. I can't leave a comment, but I like you.
ISIS gang, you in a round.
Yeah, go. Gang, gang, gang. She nigga, when she on Cali. Next thing you know, nigga, we all in Miami. Pull up on a nigga with a motherfucking blamey. Shorty on my body, yeah, she come. Tell him up it if a pussy nigga tryna rob me. Niggas tryna lie me. I told Shorty drop it low. Hey, yeah, there you go. Perky got my shooter roll like oh. Get down, bitch, I'm flying like oh.
I just want to keep the template at this point. I have an idea. Oh, that was a butterfly! Yeah!
Need a boyfriend, we were never best. You have a boyfriend, girl, I don't care. Just say something, I'll make sure you enjoy it. We've been boyfriend, I should be your boyfriend. I should be your boyfriend. Just a girl came Perry, she live a secret life like Perry. But it's money, this girl didn't want me, go straight, then I summoned her down. Yeah, just honey and rummy.
I didn't poo the whole of yesterday. And once I don't poo one day, it all goes downhill. It all goes downhill. But I didn't poo yesterday. It's the next day now. I have an urge to poo. I go to the toilet. It's the library toilet, and there was a woman waiting behind me because it was this whole thing, and I'm like, oh, so I have to be quick because he's waiting behind me. It's not coming out. What the hell do I do? What the hell do I do if like it's not coming out and she's still waiting? I feel bad. I feel bad. So obviously I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna wrap it up. But oh my god, it was the most painful thing. I wrapped it up and I can feel the poo just there, and it's like, don't piss me off right now, don't piss me off. So I go to the children's toilet because the woman's in the toilet, and I'm like, you know what, it's okay. And then somebody comes knocking on the door, and I'm like, oh my god, leave me alone. Still not happening. So now I went home. Will I say that I went home because I need to poo? Yeah, I'm gonna say that. But is it really truly because I'm tired and I don't want to go to school, and I'm probably gonna miss the next class? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that as well.